So someone who's contemplating a renovation, what should they be thinking?
If you're thinking of renovation, I think what's most important is they have to understand what their goal is. There's one, I mean, one is just you're going to put some lipstick on a pig and sell it,
right?
And get it out the door.
Yes.
And there's another one where you're saying, this is our forever home. And,
right.
We sort of have two main groups that probably come to us wanting renovations. And one would be younger families who realize they have a home, like they've got two young children or a young child coming. It's a big impetus for a renovation when the child's usually on the way. That's one part. The next part that's really important in our next big group is probably over 55, where the kids have all left the home and maybe they're not going to stay in that 3,000 square foot home anymore, and they're looking for a condo or a downsizing to a space, and they want it to be everything they always wanted. They've done enough renovations over the years. And they just want to call us and say, this is what we want, make it happen, we're going away, and we'll be back in 3 months when it's done. Right? And so that's sort of the two groups, is the very involved younger people who are like really part of it, and then those who are older and just want us to just do the whole job. And so those two sides.